my camera now looks like. It looks so cute. It looks so extremely cute. I just love everything about it. But anyways, hello guys and welcome back or welcome to my YouTube. I hope you had a beautiful day. So this week's vlog is going to be spend the last week with me. I know, I'm going back to Germany, sadly. Do I want to go back to Germany? No. Do I want to stay here? Yes. Do I want to live here? Yes. Can I live here? No. Anyways, so let's just do a quick get ready with me and then let's go on the bike and we'll go to our first destination. Since I don't wear that much makeup and I already have my lashes done, I don't need to take long. And that is it already. Cool. Okay, this is my fit. This is from the last vlog, if you guys remember. This is also from one of my vlogs, if you guys remember. And yeah, so let's go. Oh yeah, baby. I just flipping realized I forgot the bike lock. So now I can go all the way back to get the bike lock. Am I smart? No. Okay, well, the first place is TJ Maxx, not TK Maxx, it's TJ Maxx. It's weird, I don't know why it's called TJ Maxx. In Germany it's called TK Maxx, but I am trying to look for suitcases because I need a second one from all the stuff I bought. The suitcases are so expensive in TJ Maxx. It's always been expensive. So I think I'm gonna buy it in the week somewhere. I don't know. One thing I love about America is that every store has a bathroom, and in Germany they don't. And also they have this. Okay, so I've got a few items. I got a birthday card. A little birdie told me it's your birthday, so I ate it. I thought that was perfect. And then I got this here. It's razor blades. It's for the girls that I'm staying with because I noticed that they don't have any. And this is for a birthday, upcoming birthday. And then for myself, I thought this. It looks so good and it's only like 25 bucks. It comes with a hair clip and everything else. And it's like sparkly. Okay, so I have got the goodies and now I'm in CVS and I'm just walking around because last time I was here I printed out a few pictures and I wasn't able to like look around properly. So now I'm gonna look around, see if I want or need anything, and then I think I'm gonna go over to Ross. I'm trying to look for another card, but there is so flippin' many. It is crazy, and it goes back there even more. Here and also on the other side. How am I supposed to pick out a card, bro? I got so much flipping candy. I love Reese's so much. If I buy one, I get the other one for only $1, so it's a definite yes. Thank you. Oh, yeah. I'm officially in Ross. I'm looking for... Oh, these are cute. Maybe not. Okay, I'm officially inside the fitting room. I'm only allowed to take 5 items in. Last time I brought in the whole trolley, but I wasn't supposed to. So let's, you know, get dressing. I really don't know what bra is supposed to go underneath this because it's just so, and it is so extremely itchy. I just want to take it off. I thought it looked kind of like the Hollister one, and I was excited that it fits, but it's itchy and I don't know, it just looks weird. No. Okay, I'm not sure about the skirt. I like stuff underneath my belly button, and I mean this is cute, but I just don't think skirts really look good on me, you know? They just, I don't know, I kind of look unflattering. And then I don't know, but they have shorts. That's what I liked. And I thought maybe for the winter, I How much is it? Yeah, I think so. It's kind of cute. So, yes. Okay, I got my next 5 bunch. Okay, this is so cute. It is so extremely thick, and it reminds me of the Hollister one that just came out. Oh my god, I love this. I just need something different underneath. But oh my god, I love this one so much. So cute. Everything was M because I just couldn't find anything S. I think it's all just sold out. Nah, it's a little too see-through, and this is also M, but this one fits so well, so this is a no. I thought when I saw this, it was not going to be so extremely flowy, and that it would, I don't know, look a little fall-ish, you know? But, I don't know, I think just, I already missed fall in Germany, so now it's just going to be winter, and it's just too open for me. It is cute, but it's just, nah. Okay, my 3rd bunch. This is like the only short t-shirt I have, but I thought it looked really cute. So, I don't know. Oh, and this one, I guess. Yeah. This is so extremely cute. I love this one. I don't want to buy more short sleeves, you know? And how much? $7. This is the same. I love this one so much. It is so cute. But I don't know. I think I am gonna buy this. You know, it's so cute, and this one is also really cute. But no, I'm gonna get that one. Okay, y'all. Last bunch, and then I can go home because I am feeling so sick. I haven't eaten the whole day, so this is so cute. I want to get this so bad, but it looks so dumb with these dumbass shoulder thingies. I love this. It looks so good. Man. Okay, how is this the M? I got it in 2 sizes because I thought M was gonna be too big, like the last vlog. But M is so tight, and it also kind of looks like the other one, but it's not breathable. It's cute, but no. So I won't even try this one. Oh my god, bro, my arm is hurting. This is so... Look at this big ass bag, bro. I have so many flipping items, but it's also because I got so many sweets, and all that added up to like, what, it's $80? So all of this is 80 plus what I spent today. So like $100 I spent today on just a few items. Yeah, I mean, that adds up how expensive America is, you know? Okay, since I'm leaving literally in 4 days, I know. I think I'm gonna pack a few items already inside my suitcase, just so that I don't have to do it all the way at the end, and then I just leave out what I need for these couple of days, and then I guess I'm going back home. Ignore all of this. This is just my junk table because I don't know where to put it. I don't want to do this, bro. I think I'm gonna pack all of these hoodies that I did not wear one single flipping time, and then I think I'm gonna wear this on the flight home. So I'll keep this one out, and then just put all of these in. I don't know how I'm supposed to pack this. I'm actually the best packer there is in my family, but right now I feel like I'm not gonna organize anything, so I'm just gonna put it in random cubes. Well, this one is definitely full now, so I'm also gonna be wearing these sweatpants that I wanted to wear at the beginning, but then, you know, changed my mind, so I'll be wearing this plus this hoodie. I feel like I'll need a long sleeve for when I arrive, so I will just pack this one in my backpack that I'll be taking with me on the fly in case I get cold, and I'll be wearing this tank top as well. I can still fit so much more in this on the sides, so I'll think about it later if I don't have any space anymore. I brought my whole gym clothes with me, with my shoes, all my running clothes, and I did not work out once. So yeah, America really does something to you, you know? I just almost flipping broke off my whole ass now. Let's see if it all fits now in my suitcase. I've packed everything already, and this is far too flippin' heavy. So I'll definitely need a second suitcase, like 100%, because this is over the limit. Bye, America. I'll miss you. We're in Publix right now, but one thing I hate about dry shampoo is that it's so freaking expensive. In Germany, it's like $1 to like $4, and for this exact bottle. But yeah, it's like this much. Damn. I'm in Burlington right now, and I'm buying. Yeah, that's it. We were just in Spirit Halloween because I still don't have a flipping Halloween costume, and tomorrow's Halloween, and there was so many people who did not have a Halloween costume, so now I'm going as the most basic thing ever, and that's a black cat. Oh my god, I freaking forgot. Oh my god, I lost my freaking, I forgot my bag when I was looking at some suitcases, and that was like 20 minutes ago. Let me check if everything's still there. Okay, my money's still there, my card. Oh my god, I was just buying the things, and then I realized I didn't have my bag. I was like, where's my bag? And then, yeah, we remembered. Oh my god. The beautiful pink bag I got, it's very pink, but on my phone it's not turning out as pink. I took a video coming out, but it just turned out to be like 1 second video, and I don't know what happened, so I'm taking a video right now. This is me editing the video, by the way. And yeah, it's big and it's cute, and I low-key love it because it's so... Okay, we just got all the flipping goodies for the birthday, Halloween, and I found a suitcase, and it said $50 something for the suitcase, and then when I paid, it said $80 something. So I asked the woman, and she said all good, and then she gave it for me for $50. So now we have everything. I have a beautiful pink ass suitcase. I have even more sugars, cat ears, and we're off home now. I got so many items. I got Jif creamy peanut butter. Then I got Jif extra crunchy peanut butter. Those two are for my dad because I know he loves peanut butter. Then I got these two creams. One is jasmine peach, and the other one is fresh and cozy. All of the other ones didn't smell as good. They smell kind of funky. Back at it again. I had to, and it was on sale. Bro, the last time I got the other toy, this one, there was so many other items on sale, and I'm regretting it so much because today there was nothing. That was the only one. And I'm regretting it so extremely much that I didn't just buy every single freaking one. But, you know, shit happens. And then I literally just got this one, this one, and this one. And then I got some cat ears.
You guys kill it every year. If you have Halloween, you guys, all right, make sure you take a claw bracelet. Yes. I do have candy here. However, if you're feeling really brave, this is my store for the little ones. You can get it from that guy. Although you don't have to.
Do you think that you can sneak past the Reaper?
Yes.
I always know when you
This is me right now editing the video. I am super tired. It's like 2 a.m. and I think the clocks just changed, so it's I think like 3 a.m. Almost 4, I don't know. But I want to insert some pictures of the Halloween night because I love the pictures that turned out. Oh my god, what was that? Another, it's so cringe to film. Sorry. Another one, but oh my god, another one. Yeah, you know, a baddie gonna stay a baddie, yo!